What is the election symbol of Telugu Desam Party? Answer B. Cycle. Which of the following is a regional political party? Answer B. Akali Dal. Which of the following is not a political party of India? Answer B. National Democratic Alliance. The election symbol of which political party has remained unchanged since the general election of 1952? Answer B. CPI. Who constitute the Backward Classes Commission? Answer C. President. What was the date on which the Anti-Defection Prevention Act was passed? Answer D. 15 February 1985. Which is the Indian political party which was founded in Tashkent? Answer B. Communist Party of India. Who was in favor of partyless democracy? Answer A. Bhupendra Nath Dutt. What is the election symbol of the Bharatiya Janata Party? Answer A. Lotus. In which year the Indian Communist Party was born after the partition of the Indian Communist Party? Answer B. 1964. Who recognize a political party as a national party or a regional party? Answer C. Election Commission. In whose absence the functioning of democracy is impossible? Answer C. Political party. Article 370 of the Constitution was applicable to which state? Answer A. Jammu and Kashmir. A feature of the party system in India is? Answer D. Multi-party system. When was the first Backward Classes Commission constituted? Answer C. 1953. Which political party was established before independence? Answer B. Communist Party of India. Which of the following is a regional party? Answer D. Akali Dal. Which one of the following political parties have not been recognized as the national party by the Electoral Commission of India? Answer B. Samajwadi Party. Political parties are necessary for which of the following? Answer B. Democracy. Which of the following was founded by B.R. Ambedkar? Answer B. Independent Labour Party. When was the Muslim League established in India? Answer D. 1906. Which one of the following election symbols are reserved by the Election Commission for more than one political party in the Lok Sabha Assembly elections? Answer A. Lotus. What is a type of party system in India? Answer B. Multi-party. What is the tenure of the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer C. 6 years. Which of the following state is the only state to have its own constitution? Answer C. Jammu and Kashmir. The Council of Ministers of the Indian Union is collectively responsible for? Answer B. Lok Sabha. Who presides over the meeting of the Cabinet? Answer B. Prime Minister. Who presides over the meeting of the Union Cabinet? Answer D. Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is appointed by the President. It is mentioned in which article? Answer C. Article 75. Who has control over the issue of money from the Consolidated Fund of India? Answer C. Parliament. Who decides about the disqualification of a member of Parliament? Answer B. President. Which party gave two Prime Minister in 2 years' time? Answer D. Janata Party. In which year the State Reorganization Commission was constituted? Answer B. 1953. When was the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir adopted? Answer C. 1957. Which women leader represented India in second round table conference? Answer A. Sarojini Naidu. Which of the following was called by Mahatma Gandhi a post-dated check? Answer A. Cripps Mission. Which of the following is not a Panchayati Raj institution? Answer C. Village Cooperative Society. Which of the following constitution affects the emergency provision in the Indian Constitution? Answer B. Constitution of Germany. What is the election symbol of Congress? Answer C. Plough.